If there's a draw to bicycle touring other than getting an insane fitness and seeing the world we live in at the pace of a bicycle, meeting all the different people also, is ending up in a gem of a place like this. After riding all day, you want to put your head down, see amazing scenery as the sun goes down, and then waking up to this. It's a huge draw for me, finding the camping spots that are safe and also just fill me with joy, because they do nothing but fill me with joy. And starting my day from here, I mean, a cup of tea and that, it was just spectacular. Let's do it. Back to it. What a night I had over there. Oh man. I'm just ecstatic about it. I want more. Today I have no idea where I'm going. All I know is that I'm gonna do a lot of miles, because tomorrow it's like 90% chance of rain. All right, let's get those legs warmed up and start getting psyched about what I'll see today. Today's route takes me around the northwestern corner of Lake Michigan on the north to southbound US Route 41. The highway I've been on since entering the Upper Peninsula at St. Ignace, US Route 2, merges into 41 at Rapid River, heading south to the city of Escanaba, then turning west towards the town of Spalding, where another right turn to the north starts US Route 2 once again. On my way towards Escanaba, I check out some train action in the 1911 Soo Line Engine 730 built in Schenectady, New York. The Soo Line is a United States Railroad subsidiary of the Canadian Pacific Railway and one of 7 Class 1 railroads in the United States. Soon after, I'm on the north end of Escanaba, where I stopped to take a look at beautiful Lake Michigan one last time. My 8 days riding alongside this marvel of nature have filled me with unforgettable memories, but the road I head into the northwestern Upper Peninsula will prove to be just as spectacular. I just made it to Escanaba. Super busy. I got a nice shoulder, but it's Monday morning for sure. I've ridden 20 miles and heading south right now into a little bit of a headwind, but I know that once I get to the turn to US 41, I'll be able to pick up a tailwind and ride right into Wisconsin. But for now, I gotta pay attention. It's gonna get a little bit more congested here and get through this part of town. So I'm on this this road coming into downtown, and there's no shoulders at all or sidewalks, so I'm either going to control my lane in the lane or stop and read the flow of traffic, and once the flow goes by, then get on the road again and keep getting on and off. I'd rather do that than upset drivers, and I got all the time in the world, so it's no big deal to me. So I'll just wait until there's a gap. Not yet, but it will be. And when it comes, I'll go. like this. And I'm pretty sure eventually I'll find a sidewalk or even a bike path. A bike path is likely going to be around because I'm getting close to downtown. It's not the best bike path, but it's nice. Better than being on the road. Alright, I'm out of Escanaba on 41, legitimately heading west, and happy for it. And I ate 2 of these pasties. These pasties are good. It's like a empanada, but not fried, it's baked. And inside is like vegetables or whatever you want. I mean, they have all kinds, but this one's a cheesy broccoli, and they all have a cubed potato in there. And I'm stuffed. I can barely get some speed going, even though I got a little bit of a tailwind. What's up, guys? Almost 40 miles for the day and heading to Iron Mountain, and we'll see once I get there. It's another 30 miles. How I feel and if I want to keep going. It's the first time I see a pink quartzite on the tarmac here, which is a reminder of South Dakota for me. A lot of South Dakota roads are made with pink quartzite. I ride into the town of Spalding, where I see the most curious looking green motorhome, and take that right turn towards the northwest on Route 2. I'm back on this highway and aiming to stay on it until I reach this tour's third American-Canadian border city of Duluth, Minnesota. I think this is a legit detour. It's a bridge, and it says it's out. That wasn't too bad. That wasn't even maybe a mile. I really want to cross into Wisconsin today, and Iron Mountain is just outside the border. It just got gorgeous going west on US 2 out of Escanaba. I'm 60 miles, about 30 miles from Escanaba, and it's phenomenal right now. The leaves are just starting to turn for fall, just barely, and it looks amazing. As soon as I ride through the city of Norway, the scenery starts becoming increasingly lush with nature. Gradual rolling hills lead to forested landscapes starting to change with early fall colors. This region of the Upper Peninsula is well known for its abundant red and sugar maple trees, which during mid-September start turning their leaves to yellow, orange, and red. Just got insanely beautiful out right now. I thought it'd be beyond the UP's beauty, and I just ran into amazingness. It's getting hilly, Vermontish, and just spectacular with the sun coming down. It's about 6:30. I'm 70 miles in. I'm only gonna do 5 more and stay in Iron Mountain somewhere. I'm coming into Iron Mountain City. See if I can find a inexpensive place to settle down.